Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your calories consumed by using the Google Fit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the third icon down below, which is the browse icon. Now click on nutrition and then tap on calories consumed. Here you are ready to add a new entry by tapping on this plus icon at the top of the screen. Now you should add a meal by selecting the time first, the exact date and time, the meal type, the food item, then add the calories that you have consumed. Then you should add the total carbohydrates in grams, protein, sugar, total fat, and dietary fiber. If you are done with adding all these details, you can also add more of these by tapping on the more details function, and you are ready to complete all these sections. If you are done with them, press the button save at the top of the screen, thereby adding a new calorie intake here. You can also check this result in the indicated in this chart in the middle of the screen. As you can see, there's also the calories indicated down below, so you can keep track of your consumed calories quite easily by the help of this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.